vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. We're heading up to the BMW gallery because I have something very, very cool to show you guys, which they have been working on for quite some time, and it is pretty epic. So let's jump into the Elantra and head up there and see Marty. If you're still curious what the weather's like, cold, snowy, and miserable. The Jam, these are just for you. We're at the BMW gallery because they wrapped an M2 in the same livery as the art car Le Mans. So we're just waiting on Marty, but then we're gonna head in and check out this stunning wrap that Marty and his team did. So keep watching if you want to see this full wrap. We're also going to check out the 4 Series and their new body styling, and we'll get a first impression. I'm not sure I'm going to be a fan. I haven't been a fan from all the pictures and everything online, but we're going to check it out in person and I'll bring you guys along. So if you guys want, if you're not interested in seeing the art car, then just keep watching and we will get to the 4 Series and we'll go over that. So let's head on inside. Here is the new styling. That is no joke. They killed the taillights. That design that's really sick. .430. Nice chrome tips. Diffuser. I'd say the back, really impressive. What do you guys think? New headlights styling. And like Marty was saying, this top portion is actually active. So as the car needs more air, this can open up, and that's all filler. We were just talking, someone will probably design something to fill that in, or you know, carbon clip on or something to make that look not so massive. New dash, all digital, huge iDrive infotainment system. This is pretty similar to the G series that we had in the 330. The seats are super nice, leather with the blue stitching. I'm really a fan of that blue stitching. It looks so good. Back seats. Similar key. Pretty standard for BMW. Pretty standard infotainment, iDrive system. Just a little more updated. But I really love the glass gauges. That looks super, super nice. So there's the startup on the new 430. Sounds like a BMW, but this dash, as you guys know, I love the BMW steering wheel. Just amazing, amazing car. The interior, they nailed it. Looks amazing. So this is a 2021 BMW 430 xDrive Coupe. It's in Arctic Race Blue. Really nice color. And 68 Canadian. Here's a quick look under the hood. You got your standard BMW shrouding. Everything is very, very BMW-ish. Just that new front end. That's gonna take some getting used to, if you can even get used to it. Here she is, custom wrapped M2, done by Marty and his team at the BMW gallery. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Subtle touches. What are your guys' thoughts on the M2 and the wrap? I can't get over the size of brakes on the M2. They are just massive. They did the headlights in yellow as well. I think it just is so suiting for the entire theme. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If this is something that you're interested in and you want to get your car wrapped, come and see Marty at the BMW gallery. They'll do it right. They'll get it hooked up for you, and basically the possibilities are endless. This is all printed. They outsourced a company to print this for them, and then they did the install right here at the dealership. So something you're interested, make sure you give Marty a shout. I'll put his Instagram right here. Give him a shout, and he can get you set up and come up with a solution to customize your BMW. I'm in such of an awe over the M2 and the quality and just how it turned out that I didn't even realize there was the Urus sitting here. It's true, BMW can get you any vehicle you are looking for. They just actually picked up a Huracan for Go Steve. Go check out his Instagram. He hasn't really posted much about it, but he got a Huracan. I can't wait to see that car in person, and just beautiful cars. But I'm still totally in awe of that M2. It turned out so incredible, and pictures don't do it justice. It looks good on the photos, but in person, you gotta see this thing. And it's for sale. So if you just want this car, contact the BMW gallery and pick up your M2 today. There's also an abundance of Porsches. Not really the cars for our season now, but listen to that beauty purr. What do you guys think? I truly think Marty killed it. Check out this lineup of cars. We'll go down for a walk and I'll show you them all. Check out this color on this M2 CS. That is just spectacular. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. home. Massive shout out to Marty for taking me up to the BMW gallery on his day off and to check out the cars. What do you guys think? Would you rock a new 430, 440 and the new body styling? Or would you take that M2? Or would you take that Urus or one of the Porsches? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought of the cars, and if you enjoyed today's vlog, smash that like button, show me some love, and drop me a comment. But like that, I appreciate you guys watching this far. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, and I can't thank each and every one of you enough. But like that, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.